Hey there guys, welcome to our booth. What you're looking at is our new booth, which was designed in my head 4 years ago. And over the years, we've kind of built pieces and decided to actually put it together. This is our first time setting it up, and I love it. This is something new, creative, fun, and all about us and what we can do for you. So check us out.
We walk into the vastness of a new event. We walk around, we look around, we see what's going on. We see all the work that the event organizers have put into planning, organizing, making sure that trucks come in on time, and loading and offloading is all done on schedule. We look at the work of all the other companies that are there. And it takes time. It takes effort. But why do we do it? We do it for not only getting new clients, for not giving exposure to ourselves, but to help clients. At Ridgewater, we're here to educate people. People come up and ask for advice. That's what we're here for. To help people, whether they become a client or not. We're here to help and educate people. Sure, it's great getting clients out of the trade shows. It's great to meet new people and to meet new subs and to meet other exhibitors. It's great to socialize with the event coordinators. It's a lot of work. Our booth started with a design 4 years ago at a show similar, very slow show. I started to doodle and wanted something to be very creative. Over the years, I haven't really had a lot of time to build the trade show booth. Well, this year we put it together. And we wanted something that showed what we did, but was easy to put together, take down, and store. So this is our booth. And the fun that we have in setting it up, manning it, and taking it down.
How's it going here?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. What do you got going on? How's it going with business?
Awesome.
Any leads?
Yeah, got 4 leads so far.
What kind of projects?
Been pretty slow, but
I think I have questions. What kind of projects do you have on the go?
got a couple heritage homes. Working on a couple other projects.
You primarily based in Abbey? Where do you typically do work?
Oh, we work all over the place. North Van to Abbotsford. Even priced out a job in Chilliwack. This show is all about you. All about you. This is about home builders, renovations, you know. We got electrical, we've got plumbing, we've got windows, we've got plants, we've got it all. Come on down. Hey guys, Daryl here with Ridgewater Homes. We're at the Fraser Valley Home and Garden Show, and it's gonna be a blast. You gotta come down, check it out, but by the time you watch this, it'll already be done anyway, so don't worry about it.